So we got this clip I put out the other day, right? Something different, pick a decade.
Hello, my friends. I have a question for you. If you could pick a decade,
I would tally up all of the numbers, and that's exactly what we've done here. It's got 1,685 views, which is kind of low for my normal. 106 thumbs up, the usual 2 thumbs down, and 53 comments. So people have voiced their opinion as to what decade they'd like me to do a motorcycle video about. So we're tallying all those numbers up. When I asked the question, what decade do you want me to cover a motorcycle from? This was the response. Most of the requests were for the 80s. 80s, 90s, 70s, 60s, 2000s, and the rest of the decades aren't so loved. Nobody asked about 20s, which is okay, because I have not had any 1920s BMWs in my shop. We've had a couple requests about 30s, and we can talk about that sometime, and 40s and 50s, and of course plenty of 60s machines have passed over my lift, and 70s, and certainly 80s, 90s, and 2000s. I'm gonna present to you a video soon from one of our most requested categories here. Then back to the RTP Authority series. Part 10, which comes out on YouTube this Wednesday, the 12th of May. It's already been released on Patreon. I hope my patrons have enjoyed it. I hope more people on YouTube see Part 10 than they've been watching the last few episodes, because there's a lot of time put in Part 10, and that bike was really rough. And a lot of the problems that you run into with these bikes used are shown in that video. Thank you, my friends, for sharing. You'll see me again soon, and one of those videos will be from one of these most requested categories. Thanks, my friends. Take care. Have a great day.
Thank you for watching and supporting my video work through PayPal and Patreon.